Hello friends. So uh, we will discuss about the applications of Gauss's law. So there are three symmetry for which Gauss's law is simple to find out the electric field. So there are three symmetry: cylindrical symmetry, spherical symmetry, and plane symmetry. So we have discussed about the cylindrical symmetry in the case of electric field around an infinite line of charge, and spherical symmetry in the topic electric field around the charge spherical cell. So uh, today we will discuss about the field around charge solid sphere. It is also the case of spherical symmetry, and for that consider a solid sphere with the charge distribution on the sphere of the solid and as shown in figure 30. Okay. So consider a uniformly solid sphere which is charged, continuously charged and of radius r, and the total charge on the surface of the solid is capital Q. Let P be a point outside the sphere at a distance r from the center of the sphere. So we can see in the figure 13 the sphere of radius r and a P point with at the distance r from the center of the sphere and small r. uh, we have draw a circle of radius small r which is the Gaussian surface. So the draw a spherical Gaussian surface of radius r, and now we apply the Gauss's law in order to find out the electric field due to this solid sphere, charged solid sphere. So the Gauss's law, according to Gauss's law, closed loop integration E dot dA is equals to Q enclosed upon epsilon 0. So here, for sake of simplicity, we write instead of Q enclosed, we write Q. So now again, electric field and the area which we consider both are in the same direction for the spherical symmetry. Spherical symmetry ના કેસમાં electric field ની direction અને area ની direction બે same direction હશે. So E dot dA આમાં E અને dA ની direction same છે તો બે વચ્ચેનો angle 0, અને E dot dA એટલે E dA cos theta and cos theta it means cos 0 and cos 0 1. So next step integration E dA dot નીકળી ગયું છે હવે. E dA is equals to Q upon epsilon 0. So now E electric field is constant because charge distribution on the solid sphere is constant, so it will be in the outside the integration. So integration over closed loop surface H dA is equals to Q upon epsilon 0. So now the symmetry sphere, so the area is 4 pi r square, where r small r is the radius of the Gaussian surface which is spherical. So E 4 pi r square is equals to Q upon epsilon 0, and now we will make E subject. So E is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 upon r square. So this is the electric field due to solid sphere, charged solid sphere uh, at distance r from the center of the sphere. So from equation 23 for equation of electric field, we can say that the field outside the sphere is exactly the same as it would have been if all the charge had been concentrated at the center of the sphere. હવે આ જે ઇક્વેશન 23 છે એ ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફિલ્ડનું ઇક્વેશન છે કે જે ચાર્જ સોલિડ સ્ફિયર જે છે એને કારણે આપણે જે ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફિલ્ડ મળે એનું ઇક્વેશન છે, અને આ ઇક્વેશન જે છે એ સેમ છે ઇક્વેશન કે જે આપણી પાસે સોલિડ સ્ફિયરની અંદરનો એને સરફેસ ઉપર જેટલો ચાર્જ છે બધો એના સેન્ટર ઉપર કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ થયો હોય, બરોબર, અને આપણે ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફિલ્ડ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરતા એના કારણે, બરોબર. તો બંને જે છે એ કેવા છે, બંને ઇક્વેશન સરખા જ છે. Okay, so this is the electric field around a solid sphere, charged solid sphere. Okay. So now next topic is electric field of plane charges sheet. Electric field of a plane charges sheet. So in this case, we will consider Gaussian surface as a plane symmetry. Plane symmetry લેશું Gaussian field box use કરશું. So consider an infinite plane sheet that carries a uniform charge q and surface density sigma. So as shown in figure, there is an infinite sheet of uniform charge q and which has the surface charge density sigma. So in this case, we have draw a Gaussian pillbox that is extending equal distance above and below the sheet. So here it is the Gaussian pillbox. So it is extended above the sheet as well as below the sheet. So now we will apply the Gauss's law, and as we know, the equation of Gauss's law, that is integration or closed loop E dot dA is equals to Q enclosed upon epsilon 0. Again, Q enclosed is equals to Q. We will take Q enclosed is equals to Q, and in this case, electric field and the direction of electric field and area both are same. If we consider the above area here, so the direction of area is perpendicular to this and it is upward direction, and the direction of electric field is also upward, so both are parallel. And if we consider the area which is downside to the sheet, so here in this case the area direction of area is downward and the electric field direction of electric field is also downward. So in this case both are also parallel, so angle between them is 0. And again EDA E dot dA is equals to EDA cos theta, and cos theta value is 1. So now here we write EDA integration EDA q upon epsilon 0. So one more time electric field comes out to the integration, so E integration dA is equals to q upon epsilon 0. So now the area of plane or a Gaussian pillbox is 2a, because we will take both the two sides of the Gaussian pillbox. So the area is 2a. So 2ae is equals to q upon epsilon 0. And now we write, instead of q, we can write sigma into a. Sigma is the surface charge density and a is the surface area. So we can write q is, instead of q, we can write sigma a. So 2a is equals to sigma a upon epsilon 0. And now we will make again electric field E subject. So electric field E is equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, because A will get cancelled out. So this is the equation number 14, and it is the equation of electric field due to an infinite sheet and which is also independent of the distance. So by this equation number 14, we can find the electric field due to infinite sheet and it is independent of the distance. There is no role of distance because the sheet is infinite. So at every point, the electric field above and below the sheet, the electric field is E is equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0. Okay. So this is the application of Gauss's law. Uh, there are three geometries. So here we discuss spherical geometry in the case of electric field around a solid charged solid sphere, and the plane symmetry in the case of electric field around a plane symmetry. Plane charge sheet. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.